Another beautiful and frightening hunter in their own way are the predatory fireflies that live in the tropical forests of Peru, or rather glowing larvae, ready to devour anything that comes close enough. Attracted by their light, they burrow into the mud, sticking out only their heads and huge jaws to make a dash at the right moment to grab their prey. Scientists have determined that the larvae can control whether and how brightly they emit light. It all depends on the circumstances. For a potential dinner, you can shine a lot. But if there's a predator or some meticulous person nearby, it's better to just turn it off and hide.